to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be working on my Dodge Ram 1500. This particular one is 2007, but this should be applicable to most of the Dodge Rams. This is in regards to your tailgate. I'm sure at some point in time, especially in the Midwest where the rust belt is, you may have an instance where the hinge actually breaks. So that bar, that little part that stick out on here, will break off, either for this side or for this side. And at that point, it becomes troublesome closing your tailgate because it's just all over the place. So here's the fix for that. First, what you want to do is get a star bit, and this is what is this one? It is the, I'll get it for you in just a moment, 45, number 45. All right, and then you just want to put it into the bolt that's in there, and then just work it out. Now I'm in the rust belt. I was afraid that I may not be able to get it out, so I first put it in there, and then I took up my sledgehammer and I hit it a few times to try to break up as much rust as possible, and then I was able to back them out. So luckily, this is a 2008 here in Wisconsin, and I was able to get it out, so that should give you guys some hope. Now the kit to use after that, I ordered this Dorman one. It's a Dorman, part number as you can see is 38650, and it comes with both sides. I'm only going to be changing out the driver's side one because that's all I really need today. And I'll get that open. And here is the one I need right here. So this is what the old one looked like, and this is what the new one looks like. As you can see, I'll put it sideways. As you can see, I'm missing this part right here. That part broke off. So what I did was I lathered a lot of NTCs. I got my favorite NTCs, and I lathered it all up over here, stuck it all in a hole, and I put some on each of the bolts, as you can see right here. So now at this point, I just need to put it back up on here and put the box back in. Put the bolts back in. And one of the things to note is that you'll notice that the flat side of that, because it's flat on this side of the new bracket, or the old bracket, I used the old one as an example. It's flat over here, and then you got more of a triangle shape on that side. The triangle shape points outwards. The flat side is towards the rear of the truck. All right, so now we need to put it back on there. So you can't just put that on because you got this round piece, so you'll never be able to get it on that end. So you're going to have to come to this side over here first. This side, as you can see, is elongated. Is more of an oval rather than a circle. And this end over here, this piece right here, that one has an opening on there. So you're able to slide that in. So you want to put this side in last. So first you want to take it and you want to put that side in first, the side that you just did, the circle side. And then you'll pick it up on an angle, not quite a 45, but see, you're able to just slide it. Can you see that? I'm just able to slide it on there. All right. And now I have to first put my safety catch back on. All right. So now it works again. See that? So now I can pick it up and close it as normal. All right. So that's how you fix the hinge on your Dodge Ram 1500. If you like, definitely hit that like button. And hit that subscribe button too, because I have quite a few other YouTubes working on my Dodge Ram out there. Thanks for joining, everyone.